Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, after our market closed, the India's GDP data came. It's a first estimate actually. It came around 6.4%. That is actually lower than expected. Last year, it was 8.2%. And this year, RBI has forecasted 6.6%, where the actual data came at 6.4%. Again, this is not the actual data, it's an estimate. But whatever it is lower than the expected. But the GIFT Nifty actually moved higher after this data. So maybe this is what I always say, what you deliver versus expectation. So what has been delivered is very bad, but market did not expect. So market already expecting a bad data only. So therefore what has been delivered is meeting the market expectation. So that's why the GIFT Nifty did not fall. Why I'm telling you all these stories, because markets is not expecting any good result from TCS. So if they don't declare any good result, markets are not likely to fall much. But at the same time, if there is any positive surprise, market can meet with a short covering rally. So therefore, today I'm planning to take one simple trade, buy 4,000 put option in TCS and sell double the quantity 3,800 put option. So my lower break-even will be 3,600, so which is another 10% away from the current market price. I'm willing to take delivery if the price comes below 3,600, because that will be 20% below last month high. So what these people call it as a put ratio spread, right? So of course this is done without any hedging, because I'm willing to take delivery around 3,600. So US markets, also on economic data came, services PMI data, which was much better than expected. So because of that, people got worried. Two good news: Fed will not likely to cut the rates. They may go slow. So because of that, the bond yield shot up like anything. So because of that, this technology rally came to a halt. I think Nvidia fell about more than 5%, and Tesla has fallen more than 4%. So because of that, the GIFT Nifty also started falling. The GIFT Nifty fell about 100. It shot up more than 100 points yesterday evening, then fell more than 150 points from the top. And then again today morning, there is some recovery. Right now, GIFT Nifty indicating about a flat opening. That is something good given the GDP data, right? So some more interesting news. The global, brokerage Jeffries upgraded Reliance. So they're saying the target is about 1,700. Okay, I think now it is trading around 1,250, 250 around. So that's one news. So we need to see any impact in Reliance Industries share price today. Another news is that the valuation, and the people say India valuation is high, so the market is falling because of that. If you are doing some comparison between US valuation and India valuation, historically the Indian valuations are 1% higher than the US valuation, but now it is 10% below the US value. So that's because now US markets are trading closer to all-time high, whereas Indian markets are around 10% lower. And people say there were only two times, 2008 Lehman Brothers collapse and 2020 coronavirus. These are the two times only the Indian valuations was more than 10% away from US valuation. 2013 we were around 10% lower valuation, and now also we are at 10% lower valuation. So now for the long-term investors, the valuations seems to be a bit attractive. So that's one thing. Second thing, FIIs are shorting left, right, and center. So that is the reason why market is falling so big. And FA is short. No, I did not check the exact data, but it must be about 80%. So what has actually happened in the last many years, as and when FAs were extremely short, that's more than 80-85% net short position, markets uniformly rallied in the next few weeks. And then, somebody said that, from 2018 to 2024, there were 9 times this has happened. FAs were extremely overly short position. Out of 9 times, 8 times Nifty rallied an average of 9% during the next 2. So this is a bull case argument. So there's a possibility market can rally. There are 2 triggers required. One is some good corporate results, and number 2, of course, not number 2, number 1, Nirmala Sitharaman ji. She should not spoil the party, anything in the budget. On the other hand, she should do something good. Also, the rumors are floating around, for people who are earning 15 lakhs, there might be some income tax concession this year and that. So, if corporate results are good and if budget is good, then we can expect 8 to 10% rally during the next 3 months. So, that's the longer term perspective. But for today, Nifty is opening flat, and we have to watch for day before yesterday's low. So that means, Nifty is expected to trade between 23,500 to 24,000. So yesterday I've shown you the chart. 24,000 call has been added, huge open interest. So interesting stocks to watch is HDFC Bank and TCS on the downside, and Reliance Industries on the upside. So we will see how the market goes, because Wednesday tends to be more volatile because the Thursday for the weekly options margins will increase. So finally, after a lot of struggle, my YouTube has been restored. So hope we have increased a lot of security measures. Let us hope our hacking guy does not improve his hacking skills. So let us like in English anyway, I'm doing 2 videos every day. In Tamil, I'll try to bring more videos from. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.